Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So today I'm going to talk a little bit about my power hammer. What is going on here? So I am doing a little bit of an upgrade to the power hammer. I am increasing the ram weight just a bit and the die surface area. Now you guys are going to get a good chuckle at this because this is going to look like the most Frankensteinish way of doing this, but I need larger surface area to work some top tooling on a few things, and so I'm going to mess up what was a really good hammer. So here's the dies I'm going to go with. So I'm working on welding this up right now. That's going to be the top ram, basically, as you see it here. It's going to have a fillet weld all the way around, or a filler weld, if you will, all the way around the die block itself. Let me come down here. Get that refocused in there. So if you see that there, it's going to basically have that all filled in with weld, and then the die will be hard surfaced. These are just mild steel blocks, so it'll be mild steel, and then I will hard surface that there, and then that'll get welded onto the old ram. So basically I've cut off, if you will, I've cut off the top and bottom dies the way they were here. These served me really good for a long time, but with this new way of doing it, I will actually have a 77-pound ram versus just a 37-pound ram. So those two die blocks there together weigh about 40 pounds. And then I'm going to add a third. Basically the anvil die block will be like this. Again, hard surface, and this will allow me to take and work tooling underneath it. Now, one of the interesting things is this is going to really hang over the anvil quite a bit. Each one of those are about 20 pounds. I forget that every time I pick them up. I put that up here. Welcome back to some shaky cam footage. And now you guys can start chuckling. So you can definitely see that that's disproportionate. This is going to be a temporary solution for a long-term issue. And when I say temporary, it's because this whole thing is actually going to go at some point, and I'm actually going to put in a much bigger hammer. That'll be probably later this fall. So that's what I'm into. Just a quick little short vlog and thing like that. I'll come back with you guys with a few more thoughts in another video about the dies and how I'm doing all that and stuff. And I'll catch you all up to date on this little process as it goes along. Anyways, that's it for today. Thank you all for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And again, don't chuckle too hard. That's it for today. God bless. We'll talk to you later.